You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where's the Red Bull? Where's the Fanta? Where is the Pepsi? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Dr. Pepper? Where is the Sprite? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.